If you're looking for an easy and powerful way to live stream with pro video quality without a bunch of complicated gear, the Canon EOS R50V might be exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you how this compact camera makes live streaming simple. So let's get into it. The Canon EOS R50V is designed with ease of use, especially for live streaming. And the dedicated customizable live button makes it easy to start setting up your stream. Here are 4 different ways you can stream through the EOS R50V. Let's start with the first option, USB streaming. The EOS R50V USB-C terminal offers UVC UAC streaming. This lets you connect your camera to your computer with just a USB-C cable. And once you're plugged in, you've got a high-quality webcam feed ready to go. No third party needed, just plug in and stream. Option number 2, HDMI streaming. The EOS R50V gives you a clean HDMI out, which means you can connect your camera to a capture card. You'll be able to stream through EOS Webcam Utility, OBS, or any software of your choice. You'll get a professional looking stream without any overlays. Option number 3, Canon Camera Connect streaming. This option lets you stream wirelessly through the Canon Camera Connect app by using your EOS R50V and compatible smartphone or tablet. When connected to your device, you can broadcast over cellular or Wi-Fi, plus adjust your settings like your exposure or monitor your shots all from the app. And it supports vertical orientation. And option number 4, the Canon Live Switcher mobile app. This is perfect if you're running a multi-cam live stream. It supports up to 3 video sources from compatible cameras such as your EOS R50V, your iPhone, and your iPad cameras. Through the app, you can switch angles live, cue scenes, and control the stream all from your iOS device. This app is completely free to download and use. And if you enjoy and want the full experience with even more advanced features, it's expandable when you sign up for the Canon Imaging App Service Plan subscription. And there you have it. The Canon EOS R50V isn't just easy to use, it's built for real creators in real situations. Whether you're on a video call, teaching remotely to your class, live streaming solo from your room, or live streaming alongside your friends for a charity stream. The EOS R50V is great for any event where you're connecting with your audience in real time. Just set up, go live, and focus on creating. And I hope this video helps. Drop a comment letting us know how you'll be live streaming with the EOS R50V. Also, this camera is great for podcasts, but that's for another video that you can watch right here. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and happy streaming.